Now let's try to solve this problem. Here, Hari does half as much work as Yogesh in 3/4 of the time. If together they take 18 days to complete the work, how much time shall Yogesh take to do it? Now, bit twisted problem, but let's try to do it. Now I assume Yogesh is taking X days to complete the work. Okay. Now Hari is doing, I just forget half as of now. Hari is taking 3/4 of the time to finish up the work. I forget half for a while. So Hari is taking 3/4 of the time. That means he is taking 3/4 of X days to complete the work. Hari. Okay. Now Hari is taking 3/4 of the X days to complete this task. Now let's come to this half. But Hari is doing half of the work in these days. That means to complete the work, he'll be taking double of it. So it's this. So it's 3/2 X days. Clear? Now Yogesh is taking X days to finish up the work all alone, and Hari is taking 3/2 X days to finish up the work all alone. Now both of them are working together. So per day Yogesh will be doing 1 upon X of the work, and per day Hari will be doing 1 upon 3/2 X, that is this. Okay, so this is per day work done by both of them, and per day work is actually 1/18. Since together they are taking 18 days to complete the work, that means per day they are doing 1 upon 18 work. Now let's calculate the value of X over here. So X is 30 days. Now what was X? It was the time taken by Yogesh to complete the work. So it is 30 days. Okay, quite simple.